Introducing the all-new Toyota GR86 Hakone Edition, a tribute to driving enthusiasts and a nod to Japanese racing heritage. This special edition stands out with its stunning ridge green paint, a deep metallic hue inspired by the scenic Hakone Turnpike in Japan. It's bold, distinctive, and guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Under the hood, the GR86 is powered by a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, delivering 228 horsepower. With its rear-wheel drive setup and low center of gravity, this car is all about balance and precision on the road. To match its performance, the Hakone Edition is equipped with Brembo brakes, providing exceptional stopping power and enhanced control. Inside, the Hakone Edition brings a touch of luxury with tan leather and Alcantara trimmed seats. You can find bronze stitching accents all throughout the interior, giving it an upscale feel that perfectly complements the sporty exterior. This specific model comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, ideal for drivers who crave a more connected, engaging driving experience. Other features include an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected and entertained on every single drive. Plus, advanced safety systems like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control come standard, ensuring peace of mind on the road. This all-new Toyota GR86 Hakone Edition is a perfect blend of performance, style, and heritage, ready to make every drive unforgettable. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Roman Toyota here on YouTube. Let us know down in the comments what vehicle you would like to see next.